Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a natural, everyday wearing makeup look. I hope you guys enjoy this one. Now let's get to it. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Infallible Mattifying Base. I'm going to grab a pea size amount, just like so. There we go. And I'm going to prime my face. Next, I'm going to go in with the Infallible 24-Hour Foundation. This is in shade 24 Golden Beige. With a beauty blender, I'm going to just put on a good amount, like so. And then I'm going to blot my face and kind of blot and spread at the same time till I get a full coverage. If you want your makeup to look a little bit less cakey, you can always put less on. If you like a real full coverage, put more on. I like to use this foundation because this one gives me a full coverage and I don't need to use a lot of foundation. This one covers all my blemishes. It covers anything like pimples or anything like that when I do have them. Brilliant. So now that we've got all the foundation covered, I'm using the Sephora powder brush and an OXX powder. This is in the shade 1 in light, and I'm going to go use this one by grabbing a bit and putting it all over my face. Too easy. What I'd like to do now is grab the Sephora small contour brush and the BYS Island Bronze Face and Body Bronzer. What I'm going to do with this one is I'm just going to grab some product and go along my cheek line like so, and giving me that nice contour that I'm after, but keeping it subtle still so it looks natural. Beautiful. Next, I'm going to go in with the OXX Highlight and Blush Kit, and using a Sephora fan brush like so, I'm going to open this bad boy up and use a nice shimmer. I'm going to go in with this one here. It's like a peachy kind of a look, and it's got a little bit of glitter in it. And I'm going to go on top of my cheekbone, give me that nice shimmer that I'm after and still looking that natural kind of style. What I'm going to use now is the Drew Barrymore Flower Beauty Shimmer and Shade Eyeshadow Palette. This is the Golden Natural ES3 palette, and I'm not going to use the brush that's with it today. I'm going to use the Sephora Precision Shadow Brush and use some of these shades, because I find this palette is really, really good for that natural look. So the first thing I'm going to go in with is a nice base. And I'm going to go in with number 4, which is this one right here. And I'm just going to grab some color and pop that all over my lid and going all the way up into the crease line. Now I'm just piling this on because I'm going to blend it out a little bit, but I really need that nice base. So now that I've done that, I'm going to go in with this beautiful color. It is number 3. It's this one right here. And I'm just going to go and pop that from the middle section here to the end. I find this palette is fantastic for getting a lot of the natural look. You can do so many styles with this one, but I feel like this is perfect for what I'm going to do today. Perfect. So now I've got a bit of shimmer. I'm going to go in with number 7, which is this nice bronze here. It is absolutely stunning. And I'm just going to put that on that outer edge. And I'm going to go in with number 1. So number 1 is this beautiful pearly white, and just go in the inner corners of my eyes. For natural looks, you can use 1 or 2 shades. You can use 10 shades. It's completely up to you. I like to have a bit of different colors, especially when the light hits. I'm literally going to just quickly lightly touch this up with a blending brush. This is the Sephora blending shadow brush. Grabbing anything that's like not necessarily needs to be there, which is just all blending the outer edges. Not too much, because I find that this palette really blends so easily that you can actually take away too much product. Next, I'm going to go and put a nice eyebrow on. I'm going to use 10, which is this one here, and draw my eyebrows on with the Sephora Precision Shadow Brush. Like I said, this look is great for your everyday look. You can make it more simpler if you like. You can use 1 color, you can use 2 colors or more. Going in now to the other side and doing the same. Perfect. I'm going to go back in with that Precision Shadow Brush and go in with that nice color number 1 from the Flower Beauty palette. It's on right here. And I'm going to go underneath my brow bone and just give it a bit of highlight. I'm just going to blend that out with blending shadow brush. You gonna tap it a little bit because I don't want to actually blend that nice highlight too much out. So I'm just like blending and spreading a little bit. So there we go, it's nice and gorgeous. I'm gonna go back in with that one as well and just go into here a bit more because I do want this to really stand out. And I'm gonna bring it all the way up to the brow bone up there, so it's like a nice line. And using that blending shadow brush again, just dabbing that harshness away. Perfect. What I'm gonna go and do now is I'm gonna get mascara. This is the Flower Beauty Warrior Mascara, the original line, and I'm going to use this one and do my eyes. So I just use the whole technique of like grabbing the lashes and going sideways and pulling it up while I'm doing that. So just wiggling from side to side. I find this works best for me with not getting the super clumpy eyelashes. I'm gonna go in with the other side. As you guys can tell, I am ambidextrous, which means I can use both of my hands for different things, which is why I use this hand as well to put on my mascara. You guys should challenge yourselves and try and use your other hand to do either some makeup or even just brush your teeth, and let me know how you guys go. Perfect. Now that I've lined the top of the eyelashes, I'm going to go and do the same with the bottoms. And I'm grabbing from the outer edge and I'm just stroking my lashes so I can just feel the hairs move. We don't want too much going on here. We don't want that clumpiness. Remember, less is more. You can always go back and do more. Cool. Gonna do the same on the other side. Cute. And now I'm going to go in with a nice gloss. This is the MAC lip gloss. This is in the shade Baby Spark, and I'm going to open this one up, give it a bit of a twirl so I've got a nice product on there. I'm going to put this on my lips. So as you can see, it's just got that little nice subtle color and it's just sparkly. Really makes quite a difference. I love it when it sparkles in the light. It's so pretty. And the final thing that I'm going to go and do is I'm going to use the Flower Beauty Seal the Deal Long Lasting Spray. This is the matte finish one, and I'm going to pop that open like so and just cover my face with some mattifying spray. Just let that dry and soak into my skin. So hopefully I'll be matte all day. So there you guys have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. It was literally a 15-minute tutorial. It's really easy to do. If you're not doing a tutorial, it'll literally take you 10 minutes to do. Depending on how fast you can actually go and do your makeup. It was really, really quick for me. Let me know how quickly you can do your makeup. Please like and subscribe to my channel and check out the comments below for everything, including what makeup I've used and what brushes I've used. Love you all. Bye.